Hello everyone, Robert Yoder at Homecraft Real Estate. We're here at 5400 Curtis Road in Plymouth, Michigan today. This property is amazing. Not only is it 23 acres, we also have 900 feet of frontage on Fox Hills Golf and Banquet Center, Golden Fox Golf Course. The property also includes a historic 4,000 square foot pre-Civil War stone home built in 1851. This property features 23-foot screened-in porch and a speakeasy in the basement. Additional homes also on the property, a second-floor apartment, 3-car garage, horse stalls, huge Quonset storage barn, workshop, and so much more. The property is located in the Plymouth-Canton School District and conveniently located between Ann Arbor and Detroit. It's also splittable. This property is amazing. Let's check it out. Hopefully you enjoyed the tour of this property today. If you have any questions about the stunning 23 acres, don't hesitate to reach out to myself or my team. You can email us at sold@homecraftteam.com or you can call us at 734-329-0123.